become commonplace. And now, let's talk about memories. It turns out that at the very center of the brain, there is a small red thing called the hippocampus. That's where memories are processed. Last year, just last year, at Wake Forest University and in Los Angeles, the world's first memory was recorded and uploaded into an animal. Scientists took a mouse, recorded the impulses on the hippocampus when the mouse learned something. Then the mouse would forget over time. Then they would reinsert that tape recording back into the mouse brain, and bingo, the mouse learned immediately. Next will be monkeys. Next, we will take the hippocampus of a monkey, record the messages, and then reinsert it, and the monkey will remember what it learned. Then after that, the goal is to create a brain pacemaker. A brain pacemaker for Alzheimer's patients, so they will always have memories, because they'll push a button and they'll remember who they are. And then after that, who knows? After that, maybe you'll be able to upload a vacation that you never had. You'll be able to upload an identity that you never had. And if you're a college student here, you'll be able to upload all the courses that you flunked here. So on the upper right, we have the world's first brain pacemaker. And what about thinking? Is it possible to photograph a thought? And the answer is yes. At Berkeley, they've taken a brain scan of the brain and converted it to 30,000 dots. This represents electrical activity of the brain. It's done by an MRI machine. Now, you may say to yourself, well, that's huge. I don't want to put that in my living room. But that's an MRI machine today. On the right is the world's smallest MRI machine. It is only this big. And how small can you make an MRI machine? According to the laws of physics, the smallest MRI machine you can make is this big. The size of your cell phone. In the future, you will have more computer power in your cell phone than a modern university hospital today. And what will we do with it? When we scan the brain, we create 30,000 dots, each dot representing electrical activity. Then a computer program analyzes the dots and creates a picture. These are some of the world's first pictures of a thought. On the upper left is Steve Martin, the actor. The brain analyzes this picture and creates dots. The computer analyzes the dots to create a picture of Steve Martin. It's not very good, but it's only 30,000 dots. In the future, we'll have millions of dots, millions of pixels, and we'll be able to create videos of your thoughts. Here is an elephant, a human, and an airplane. On the right is a computer recreation of what you're thinking about.